Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. As you know, it's Epic Tours, where it's about fun, food, travel, and being able to work remotely. Merry Christmas to you guys. Sorry, I can't sing. Alright, so our Merry Christmas, guys.
With Jesus, we can think about a tomorrow. We can think about a future, even though there is so much unknown about it. But with the presence of Jesus Christ in our lives, we can rise from here this morning and we can go forth with joy in our hearts. Not because everything is all right.
Alright, guys, so I just got in from church. You know, little Miss is fast asleep because, of course, it was really early. It's probably a little bit after 8 now. In the morning, it's still early. Still want to sleep, you can see that. Right, guys, so it's after 8. I'm going to make some breakfast and, what else? And then we're going to maybe open some gifts if she's awake. So let's see. And Missy's having breakfast. Alright guys, so now we're about to open her gifts. So let's see. Oh, you turn it on. You figure it out.
I'm Scout. Hi. Let's play some music. Press the paw button to pick a tune. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Good. What's that? You know, you're afraid of this one. Because I just hit it on and I got the voiceover. I think we're probably not going to sing until don't know. What do you call it? We're going inside. stop like them.